I have a question for you. Do you want to know why and how you should use transitions in a speech? Yes? Then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Rajiv Kumar Love, the life skills coach, welcoming you to this video. Through my videos, I want to inspire you to improve your life and achieve your goals. In this video, I want to explain the why and how of using transitions in a speech. While driving a car, you have to change gears, and if you don't use the clutch in the right way, the gears will get jumbled up and make a loud, irritating sound. Similarly, in public speaking, it is important that you make smooth transition between thoughts, ideas, and stories. For example, in my speech, I talk about education, and then suddenly I jump to talking about politicians. Now the audience will think, where the hell did that come from? And what is the connection? A great speaker uses smooth transitions. Imagine your speech is just like giving your audience a tour of a cluster of islands. You start with the first cluster A, which has about 3 small islands, A1, A2, A3. When you finish one cluster, you cross a bridge to move to the next cluster B, which again has 3 smaller islands, B1, B2, B3. Finally, you cross over to the cluster C. Now the bridge you cross from one cluster of islands to another is known as a transition. So let us take an example. Today I will show you how to make a cheese masala omelette. A. First, let us prepare the eggs. Break 4 eggs in a bowl. Throw the shells in a dustbin. Add salt and pepper. Then beat the eggs. B. Next, let us prepare the filling for the omelette. Chop onions, chop the tomatoes, chop green chilies, and grate the cheese. C. Lastly, we mix and cook the ingredients. Add onions, tomatoes, cheese, chilies to the beaten eggs. Now pour the mixture in a fry pan, cook for 5 minutes, and then fold the omelette, and then finally serve with toast and coffee. So the 3 steps: prepare the eggs, prepare the filling, and mix and cook the ingredients are example of transitions. When you plan your speech, plan your transitions as well. I hope you found the video useful. Yes? Then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting more cool videos like this. So thanks for watching this video. This is Rajiv Kumar Love, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I will be back with yet another video because I love making videos for you. So see you again in my next video. Until then, take care.